Hey there, it's Mark. I'm going to unbox this. Never did open it up. I was going to collect these, change my mind. I'll be putting these on eBay. As a matter of fact, I've put these on eBay. I only have a few left. So if you want to check that out, thank you very much. By the way, on Race Grooves TV, these Halloween packages, there are 3 packs, came with this little ghost, and inside each one has a model inside. So I did that for Race Grooves TV, but because it's like, because of the nature of this toy, it might be flagged made for kids. So if you're subscribed, you're not going to get a notification. Who knows, maybe, hopefully, YouTube would recommend it to you, or it'll be in the end card of this video. This one, Car Culture, you can see DJF77, both Car Culture, but this one's D, this was A. That was Japan Historics. And I know what this is. At least I think I know what it is, because I left a little note here just so I would know. Car Culture Track Day 10. There's 10 in the case. I'm pretty sure what they did, and they probably will be doing, is they have 2 sets, which is nice. Have 2 sets of cars in there. Oh, I tried to do this real fast before the cats came, and nope. Dottie is first. Hello, Dottie. Hello. I thought I'd give you some food, and then you guys would relax after eating your food, but you ate too fast, and you're done. Well, at least you got to eat your food without your brothers coming over and taking it. Here you go. Let's see. What were the models in this assortment? Yeah, there you go. I like that one. I might keep one of these for me. Oh, no, I take it back. I think I found one of those on the pegs. So I can let these 2 nice ones straight out of the case. All of these right out of the case. Pretty good. Only this one has a little curve that I can see so far. But if you look, good. Nice corners. I can't see the other corners, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm not going to collect these. I thought I heard a creak like a crack. No, nothing. There it is. Oh, I'm glad I noticed, because when I sell these, I'm going to have to make that notation. I would not have noticed. These are the 5 cars that are in this case. That was what, D case? Couple of Porsche models, Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. I believe that still has that separate piece that's removable. A Chevelle and the Datsun Bluebird. So 2 of the Porsche 964. Oh, be careful. I can't have you here because I can't have you. They like to rub on cardboard. So you're going to have to go, Dottie. Go, Daddy, go sit over there. No, go sit over there. Go sit over there. Thank you. Go check out the ghosts. We're going to check out the Porsche. Let's get in focus. Very nice. Very nice. Typical Car Culture wheels nowadays. Let's go ahead. Since those are leaning that way, we'll take this side because the weight is off of the cards. 2 of the Datsun Bluebird, 510. Oh, now comes Patty. Well, I tried. These are normal Hot Wheels size packages. So at this time, they were not putting decorations on the headlights and taillights. But still, yeah, see, it looks like it still has that separate part. And you could, I don't remember if that comes off or it just moves. I'm pretty sure it just comes off. It comes off. Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Cleaning your leg. Got an itch? So Karmann Ghia, I will have 2 of these samples to put up on eBay. I'll let you have a close-up. When I do my eBay items, I take lots of pics, all sides of the car. I try to get all the corners. Sometimes there's an issue that I have to provide more pics for, like that corner right there. So sometimes I might not be able to. I have to make sure I show that, which means like if I have a picture like this to show how flat it is on this side, I can't do that because I gotta show you that corner. So if you might look at my prices and say, hey, how can your price this, blah, blah, blah. Well, if you look at other people, they only show one picture and it's like this, and it might not even be a high-res picture taken with a potato. 70 Chevy Chevelle. So, you know, I try to take good pictures. This way you know exactly what you're buying. No surprises. And pictures take time, you know. 78 Porsche 935. Graphics on the top, graphics on the sides. I like those wheels. Pretty good color, pretty cool color. Uh-oh, you guys are getting crowded. Hang on. As soon as you get an empty box, cats just love empty boxes. I had to get the cars out of the way. I want to make sure that none of the packages get damaged. Anyways, if you want something for your collection, my eBay account is on the screen. It's Mr. Grooves. The link will be in the description. You guys, you both can't fit. You both are not going to fit in the box. Oh no, that's Waka Waka. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting. Bye bye.